I will show you how to create a 3D pop-out effect in Photoshop. Create your workspace with these settings. I need to do some necessary adjustments. So here is the first image we are using, and the first thing to do is to decrease the opacity so that you can know the right position to put the image. After that, you can reduce back the opacity and hide the layer. Move over to your Magic Wand tool. On the phone layer, click on the first phone image. Unhide your first image and create a layer mask. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Click on that and delete it. Select the subject by going over to the Select Subject. Create a layer mask after selecting the subject, and here is it. This is how you can create a 3D pop-out effect using Photoshop. Using the same method, let us work on the second image. Reduce the opacity to position the image. Hide the layer and move over to your Magic Wand tool. Tap the phone image, unhide this layer and create a layer mask. Make a copy of the image. Select the subject and create a layer mask. This is it. I hope you like it.